guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Tami and I'm here with my amazing family. Here's my beautiful wife, she, yes, and my very cute son, Cameron. Yeah, and today is a very exciting day. We have a new member of the family and we have been, no, it is not a baby.
Wow, now you come out. You come right out for the camera. Me not look. Alright guys, so this is Crystal. I can't get a good view, but yeah. All the time them when me do my food video or anything and you hear the birdie in the background, yes, he's a cockatiel. Special kind of bird. And guess how old he is? You could wait till me tell them. He is 21 years old. Wow. Talk to him nice. Yeah, me see you, you know, if you go on, so you know. I know a long time you wait for this. 21 years old, guys. And in come out. Yes, it's a male and the name is Crystal. Don't ask. That is a different story, but yeah. So this is Blue, our Newfoundland. Very big, very beautiful. Black, gray and white. Yeah, as I said, people normally confuse him for St. Bernard's, but he's nice, very loving, very protective. And I'm sure he will get along with our new doggy. And there he is.
We have been thinking about this for a while now, and we've been to a few pet stores trying to find the right type, the one that connects with us, and none never really seemed to jump out at us like that, right baby? Right. And we weren't really sure if we wanted a big dog or a small dog. We never really, no, it never matter. We just do one way, connect with us and everything. And we did find trouble. Thank you, look at her. Yes. I don't really know any name good yet. I think it's a Yorkshire terrier. Yorkshire terrier. I'm gonna put the name in the description box. It's so cute. And it's black and brown. So adorable. As you know, everybody know who follow us on Instagram. We already have a Newfoundland, big dog. People normally confuse him with St. Bernard, which is like a Beethoven dog, but it's not. So yeah, for the dog lovers out there and for people who follow dogs and interested in a dog, then we know the difference. But we just wanted to introduce our new cutie to the family. We don't name him as yet, so if you think of a name where fit him, you can comment it down below what you think. But I'm sure we'll also think of something. And baby, how you feeling about this new addition? Okay. Yeah? Very happy about it? Very happy about it. Nice. Nope. Alright, Cameron, what do you think about the new addition to the family? Great? He's so strong. Yeah? You love him? Nice. Alright guys, this video is not really that long, but yeah, you will definitely hear more about it when we think of the name and everything like that. Do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm on the road right now to, I think it's about 320 subscribers. Yes, so do remember to like this video, comment the name down below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out, chicken grease. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you all so much again for the support, baby. Yes, Cameron.